In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a niche that I found that is starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and TeePublic. If you like this kind of content and you get any value from this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you guys today is this one right here. Oh, whoops. Right here it says Writers Guild of America on strike. So what's going on is if you just Google that, you're going to see there's a strike going on involving writers. You can just Google it and you can kind of read up on it. But it just started a couple of days ago. And if we go to Amazon, we're going to see when we type in this keyword, there's only 311 results. And I checked the third and fourth page to make sure that there is only 311 results. So niche that is low in competition. And when we take a look at some of the designs, we're going to see that these were just uploaded May 3rd, May 2nd, and they're already selling. You see they got good BSRs, you know, under 300,000. This is what some of the designs kind of look like. Real writers, real stories. Writers Guild on strike. So it's very popular, like with the fist right here. Let's see if we can find some other good ones. Pens down. Okay, so that could be another option. We're going to see just uploaded. This one was just uploaded yesterday. It's already selling. So these are the type of niches that we want to get into that are low in competition and that are selling. Again, you can Google it right here if you want more information. If we do a little trademark check, like if I just go back here and I type in Writers Guild of America and hit enter, we're going to see there is this one right here, but it's not in the t-shirt category. In my course that I'm going to talk about in a little bit here, I actually teach you how to read and understand trademarks. And so what you want to do, if you see something that does pop up for the niche, you want to check the number right here. Now for t-shirts, it's 025, and you can see that it's this is for newsletters offering news and information, so it is not in the clothing category, so it is safe. Now if we check the competition on some of the other websites, other print-on-demand websites, we're going to see there's barely anything up because this just happened a couple days ago. So we're going to see on Etsy there's 966 results, but there's this one right here, which is kind of weird, which I don't know why they're putting it on a onesie. But there's a couple other ones right here. So this one, I found this one, and then I also found some PNG files. So maybe if you don't want to design, you would have to check on this to see if you can actually use it for print on demand. Etsy is a good spot to get some designs. You just want to always go into the description to see if you're allowed to use it for print on demand. Sometimes they say full commercial usage, or sometimes they say that this is strictly not allowed for print on demand. So you just have to check. But that could be one option if you don't know how to design or you don't like designing. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see only 9 results. With Redbubble, you always want to, or I like to recommend that you always have stickers as your thumbnails. That is the best selling product on Redbubble. So like something like this could work very well. Really low in competition. TeePublic, right here we're going to see they have about, looks like 6 results. TeePublic just sent out an email yesterday saying that they're going to start charging just like Redbubble. I'm pretty sure that Redbubble actually bought TeePublic or vice versa. So that's probably the reason why. So a little demotivating, but you know, that's the way it goes. It's their sandbox. They make the rules. I'm not going to complain too much about it. Just going to roll with the punches and keep going. Now, if you're looking for a place to find clip art, like if you do like making your own designs, you can go to this website right here called Creative Fabrica. And I just typed in fist, I believe, so you can get like a fist like this, or you can get a fist like this one down here. It's very popular. Creative Fabrica is actually offering a promotion right now where you can sign up for the whole year. You have to pay like 59 bucks, breaks down to $5 a month, but you get access to all of their clip art. They have a whole POD section where you can just get designs, and you can just upload them straight up to Merch by Amazon. So that's pretty cool. They also have fonts, graphics, clip art, AI, classes, so really good value. Really like Creative Fabrica. It's probably one of the best resources for print on demand, in my opinion. If you want to sign up for them, I do have an affiliate link. So if you go to my description, and if you go to any one of my videos and go to my description where it says my favorite POD tools, right here where it says Creative Fabrica, this is an affiliate link. So if you do sign up, I do get a small commission for that, but Creative Fabrica does offer a ton of value. So you might want to consider checking them out. And let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, I just actually, if you're like struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble, I actually just recently uploaded my courses to Udemy. So I did have them on Gumroad, but I figured it might do better on Udemy, because on Udemy, if I can just go to that actual, I can't even show it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. Let me try this. Let's see here. Where'd it go? Right here. Okay, so bam. So I just put my courses up onto Udemy. I figure it's might be a little better for you guys, because you can actually like watch the video and you can see what course or what sections I have. You can also read the reviews. So here you can see it has 21 reviews, 4.7 course rating. You can see what some of the people are saying. I also have one for Merch by Amazon as well. You can watch the video. Now this price is in pesos. I live in Mexico, so that's why it says MX. But the course, I believe I set the price at $9.99 or $19.99, whatever the first tier is. But again, you can go through the course content, see what I talk about. These courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. Again, you can take a look at the reviews, 14 reviews, 4.5 course rating. You can see what some of the people have been saying. And the cool thing about Udemy, because I'm actually a big customer of Udemy, I like them a lot. If you don't like the course, you can just return it and you get your money back. So with Gumroad, I don't think that option is available. So that's one of the reasons why I also like Udemy. You know, if you think the course is garbage or whatever, you can just go ahead and get your money back. So, you know, risk-free basically. So if you're interested, I'll leave the links for these two courses in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. All right, but like I said, these courses are good for beginners, people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. If we go back and take a look at my credentials on Merch, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales, made close to $40,000. If we go to Redbubble, over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000. Now this is probably going to start going down because, you know, Redbubble is now charging us. But you can see on a regular basis, I do pretty much always over 100. Now, next month, actually, I do my best during summer. I actually think that the summer or the spring, like right now, Q2 is almost just as good as Q4, because you just have so many good holidays. You know, you have Mother's Day, you have Father's Day, which is huge. You have, you know, July 4th, you have Juneteenth, you have Gay Pride Month, you have graduation. You know, I've been selling a lot of graduation shirts, so this is a really good time for POD. I think it's just as good as Christmas almost. But yeah, so that's basically going to be it for today's video. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis. Haven't really been putting out too many lately because I just really haven't found anything that's been trending. But today I jumped on Amazon. I saw that this writer's strike was trending, so I figured I'd make a quick video and then also show you that I'm selling my courses on Udemy. If you go to my channel and you scroll down, I have some other videos that you might find beneficial, talking about some other niches that are trending as well. So go ahead, check it out. That's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys, or I'll see you on the next one. All right, take care. Bye-bye.